again, everyone. As you can see, today we have a different setting. Uh, and if you know from the intro that I blow a candle, you definitely know it's yay. You guessed it right. This is my birthday today, and I have something different today. Like usually, I just unboxing a doll that I have laying around, some random doll that don't have any theme. So, because we now in the outside, I'm picnicking alone and celebrating my birthday. Why not? I'm doing another thing, which is unboxing some birthday themed doll, which is I have a two and one fashion pack that I definitely will wear to another doll that I bring with me. Um, this video will definitely take a long time, and wow, the sun strike again. As you can see, it's become way kinda hotter in here. I sit direct under the sun, so I will definitely start with I have a doll which I definitely kind of regret buying this one, because the whole point I buy this so I can wear the tiara which is kind of funny, I guess, but I'm not really regret anything at this point. So this is the 2008 birthday Barbie. She is wreck like, but the doll is still in a good condition though, even though the tiara already like snapping, and the tiara that supposed I wear already lost. I don't know what happened to this doll, but yeah, it's kind of wrecked though, but it will definitely easy to unbox her. As you can see, it's a happy birthday to you, Barbie. It's from 2008, I believe. There's a special tag in here to and from, which is cute, by the way. And in the back, there's happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's a day just for you to laugh and to play and eat some cake too. I like this era of Barbie illustration, which is I hope they bring her again. As you can see in the back, there's a illustration of her wearing the exact same dress that she wear. I will definitely just rip off her from the box because it's already wrecked anyway. But by the way, she came with this brush that make it's different from the your budget brush. Is she has a crown, which is, yes, it's her day, it's her birthday, and it's my birthday. Okay, I will definitely don't really want to. I can. Oops. There's a little snap here and there. It's easy to. And another thing that I regret, she lost her shoes, by the way. She has this belly button body, by the way, but she is the hollow one and not bend and snap. Her dress is cute, by the way. She wearing this pink sparkly dress, which is cute. Has a big flower on it. Her face, it's glue, by the way. Her glue, the glue of the head was spreading around. I will definitely wipe it. so it's look kind of presentable. I bring this with me. The thing is, the thing that I hate from the early 2000 and mid 2000 Barbie and another general eye wiper teeth general doll from this era is like glue that's pink. I will definitely repaint her lips, I mean her teeth, because it's definitely smudging over when I try to clean her. By the way, she's pretty. The lighting was so bad, but I was too comfortable to stay in here, so yeah. She is her dress is, it's the material is kind of cheap by the way, but it still looks so cute. She came with this pink, like, yeah, it has a white ruffle thing in the front with a birthday theme, like the paper and decoration, anything else. She's so cute by the way. She has this 2005 Barbie face mold, which is, she's kind of underrated, and I'm not a big fan of this face mold by the way, but she's still so pretty. And by the way, in case I forget, she also came with this instruction how you to attach tiara, which this is something, and this is the reason why I buy this doll. I bought this doll because I want to wear the tiara and feel special in my birthday by the way, which is, yeah, it's kind of stuck, but I'm still happy to purchase her regardless, because it's something like the first time I'm unboxing a birthday themed doll. I will definitely use this box to journaling by the way. So the other doll is, this was one of a collector doll, not the budget one like this. It's still kind of fake you that what year is this doll was released, but from the official Mattel website and the Barbie collector site, she is the 98 or the first Barbie ever in this series, which is yeah, you can see me by the way, and this is so hot in here. The sun was down there right here. So yeah, I'll just move a place a little further from my previous location. I mean, not the location, the exact workless spot, because the sun was indeed directly under, like, way below the way I sit, and I wanna take a break a while to enjoy this. I buy from someone that I know. It tastes great by the way. By the way, I forgot to take a picture from the for the thumbnail. So I will definitely use anything at this point. Not a candle. Sorry, I will definitely continue the video by the way. Actually, I kinda regret like walking away from my previous spot. The way where I was sit in this park. You know, the reason why I finally doing video outdoor because it's my birthday, and like I said, I kinda want to do something different from the way I make a video. Maybe so I'll definitely take out the second doll that I want to unbox, which is this is the first doll in the series, and she is this Birthday Wishes Barbie collector edition, first in series. I will definitely read something. I will definitely read like everything that written in the back of the box, which is Birthday Wishes Barbie is here to celebrate you. It's your birthday, a time to remember your favorite hopes and dreams, the one that come from your heart and make you smile. The Birthday Wishes series feature exquisite Barbie doll wearing intricately designed fashion made from beautiful fabric, a special birthday card attached to her wrist just for you. Year after year, a Birthday Wishes Barbie doll is perfect birthday gift for you or for someone very special to you. Each packet look elegantly gift wrapped and ready to give with a special card on the front of you to sign. Give a Birthday Wishes Barbie to your special someone every year, which is she's in it pretty, and it's kind of sad how the newer Birthday Wishes doll was not as good as this, and the reason why I finally want to unbox her in my birthday because as you can see the box was smudged finally and it dented everywhere because I'm a bad owner. So without further ado, I will definitely unbox this Birthday Wishes doll. Not again. Oh. Oh, she came with this Birthday Wishes card, or like postcard or something. It's also, I don't know what is this. It's like maybe a card or something that you will definitely send to Mattel headquarters in El Segundo, USA. She also came with 2-year limited warranty, and this doll was not, I mean, I don't know which year exact they came with a certificate of authenticity, but I believe the first doll came with this postcard. She also came with this pearly white. Yes, an iconic 90, 80, 70, 80 or 90 Barbie brushes. Oh, it has a lot of work to do. And it's sewn everywhere, especially the hair, which is I don't like how to unbox this doll. Yeah, but it's kind of easy though. Oh, sorry, I was burping. It was a dirty in the inside of the box because how was fall of I mean how bad the box condition was. Oh, I was pierced into her head. So actually literally sewn get some box, which is how Mattel put effort to like package their collector doll back then. Wow. Okay. You know the reason why I buy her, because I was thinking she was a 99 doll series, which yeah, that was the year I was born, but it's actually the first series, which is 1988, which is what year regardless, I still happy to have her in my collection. Oh, I will definitely brush her little her hair. She has like a lot of glue in her hair. So here she is. She's pretty. She has this superstar. Oh yeah, this is superstar face mold, which is how cute she is. I mean, I will definitely try to focus this thing in this camera so you can see her face, but it's kind of difficult, by the way. like this is the face mold that you can see. No, I'm still amazed. She has a ponytail which is has a ribbon and pearl. It's glue in the back and it's already snapped because the glue was so bad. She wearing this like beautiful big ball gown, has a big ribbon, and the ribbon was so nice. Like it's not something that a cheap one layer piece of fabric that Mattel during this recent year. It's so thick and it looks so soft. I believe the material was satin. This dress has 2 layers. It's tulle and then the main dress. The fabric also so thick and nice. It's not even feel papery at all. And she wearing this high heel, which I believe it's this ankle heels like we got in, I don't know what era is this, but yeah, it's not something Barbie always wear because she usually wear that. I don't know what kind. She has snap, pen and snap, which is it's still in good condition, and I'm impressed because of the oldest pen and snap nail like this ended up being so bad and can't even snap properly. She also came with this little card. It's still kinda hard to focus. I tried like 5 minutes, so but you still can see a little bit. It has a Barbie and a bouquet of flower on it, and then there's a little card in here. It says, "May all your wishes come true in 1999. I mean, it's the next year, by the way. And she has this. I mean, if you can see, the rows are the same. That like something in her bodies. I wanna say embroidery. Yes, as if it has the same design as the embroidery in her chest. I still can't focus it, by the way, but it has 3 little bits in it. It has a like real lacing ribbon, which is it's kind of sad that the recent birthday wishes can't even do this. She also came with this little ring in her hand. She wearing this pearly necklace, which is, I believe it's also the same. I mean, something that next year birthday wishes Barbie also wear. And she is, when I see the promotional picture of this doll back in the day, I just thinking that this was a one piece, but actually it's a separated pieces, and it has a snap, which is they was put the quality back then, which nowadays collector dolls came with velcro, which is, I mean, it's not bad, it's still a good thing. Like snap like this can ended up being rusty over the time, but it's still, I mean, it's good, like they using snap. I just wish that Mattel need to stop to listening all the Karen roaring and giving us this kind of collector doll again, which is I miss it. By the way, I'm not collecting enough of doll, but I just hope they bring back this quality again. And I forget one thing. Oh yeah. Did some minutes ago I say I regret I moving spot? Well, the sun strike again, by the way. And it's still hot, kinda hot in here, but it's not as bad as I'm sitting in the same spot as before. Oh yeah. This was something that was also there in nowadays Barbie collector, which is this stand. It also sturdy one, like not a hollow one. It says Barbie collectible. Oh, I don't even know how to attach this stand is. It's a solid plastic, by the way, and it's kind of hard to place it. I will do. Oh, I can do it. Okay, I will definitely. No, I can't even detach it. But yeah, I will definitely, because I already unboxed her, I will definitely place it on the shelf. And by the way, in the next year I will definitely unbox the 99 one on my 27th birthday. And definitely next year I will find another spot, because if I'm not moving work, by the way, I don't know if next year I will have another job that maybe I can even go out in the time when I'm celebrating my birthday, like this year or last year. But yeah, if I can go out on my birthday, I'll definitely unbox another birthday doll, and I will definitely find the one with crown because I want to wear it anyway. I'm still struggling. Whatever. I'll put it on the bag. And the last thing that's related to birthday, which I will unbox this. is like a fashion, like it's last year. I mean, not last year, but it's like 2 years back. Fashion pack series which contain three theme on a 2 year. This fashion pack was running. I actually also found the last year this birthday dress fashion pack, but I'm not keen on the design because first actually it's pretty. It's like another mini dress that has a white. It's white and has confetti theme, but I just find it kind of childish compared to this one, which is it's actually just Mattel tried to reusing spare fabric that they has from make it that clip budget doll, which is well, it's well spent by the way, but and I find it cute because the next year was underwhelming. And by the way, for the last birthday related doll, I mean birthday related Barbie thing that I brought with me today, I have the model that I bring with me. Here she is. By the way, this jumper I made it by myself. I inspired by Don't Call Me Doll, I believe that the exact channel, and I was one of his viewer and I like his content so far, which is he's one of great YouTuber, I mean great tall tuber that was around. So yeah, without further ado, I will definitely try to unbox this. I don't wanna rip the package because I will use it for my journal. No, I ripped the dress, which is you need to be careful by the way to remove the tag. I mean, she came with this purse which is contain all the accessories that definitely she came with. I mean, you can use the purse for anything else by the way, which is great, and I like the shape of it. And this is her main dress by the way. Oh, I hate it have a snap on it, and I don't bring scissor with me, which is make me rip the dress so bad because I try to remove the tag. I mean, if I don't remove the tag, I will definitely can. No, it's definitely damaged. She just this one piece don't have any velcro in the back, but she has elastic on the chest area, and this pocket is strap also elastic, by the way. This sleeve also has elastic, so yeah, elastic everywhere. Okay, this is kinda unnecessary. Why you give this paper when you put all the accessories in the purse? Like, it weighs off paper, by the way. No, she came with this happy birthday headband. The camera, it's kind of blurry, but you can see it, by the way. It's camera. These heels, oh, I hate this. It's just focused to anything but the product itself, which is, I'm a bit struggling how to make the camera focus to the object that I hold now, which is, it's kind of bummer, by the way. All of you can see the detail, which is, it's molded heels with a bow detail in the front, and also has like snap detail in each side. And the last thing is this necklace that made by like how did I say, like a hollow plastic that feels so hollow. Oh, I know the exact word. See-through. It has molded 6. I believe it's the code from the mold itself that ended up stem on the actual product, which is, yeah, it's already 3 p.m. No, it's just not half, 30 minutes from now. It's definitely 4 o'clock, and a lot of people already finished their work, because behind my back was one of the biggest office located in Jakarta. Like office block, office district, that one of the biggest in the city, which is now this park getting way more packed. Way more crowded than before. So yeah, I definitely see people come and go. Not oh no. So yeah. If you see people in the back holding I believe they try to measure how big this exact location, this exact park location. have a pet fever. Not really a pet fever, but it's, yeah. So this is how it's look on the doll. It's still kind of blurry, I know, but you know, I kind of like the dress that don't have any velcro or snap in the back, because how it's look so clean on the doll body. I mean, I don't know how to describe it, but maybe it looks so clean and so neat was one of the right exact word that I can say. It looks so pretty though. And these shoes also look so pretty, by the way. It has P stamp on it, by the way. You know, this headband kind of off. I mean, she's a look so muted compared to the other piece that she came with. Like, I mean, the rest of the accessories was came with this bright color, and then suddenly this. But by the way, this is the last thing that I opened to the Barbie related birthday theme. And yeah, I mean, that's all for today. And you know, I'm sorry if I kinda rambling a lot. And by the way, if you have any suggestion about a toll related thing, or maybe something that I need to make in the future, you can drop it in the comment section. You know, I will definitely upload. You know, I still have some other unboxing thing that ended up untouched in the draft, but because this is a birthday related content, I will definitely upload it right away with just a little bit tweaking here and there. So yeah, if you have anything else to say, I mean, like suggestion of any content that I should make, you can definitely drop it in the comment section below. And once again, I will definitely say thank you so much for maybe spending your time almost an hour to watching this video. So yeah, I will definitely see you in another video. Bye.